Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much to everybody who watched my introduction video last week and everybody who subscribed. I really do appreciate it. And to everybody who is new here, welcome. My name is Malitaha and I'm a hair and DIY enthusiast. Now, I really do hope that after watching today's video, you decide you are going to stay a part of the family and you decide to subscribe. So today's video is a DIY facial treatment video just to make you aware. Facial treatments are just one aspect of skincare. If you are looking to improve the overall look and health of your skin, you are going to have to assess your lifestyle, your water intake, as well as your products and the ingredients in your products, right? You're going to have to do a whole lot of research, and our skin is different, right? I have different skin from the next person. So the needs are different as well. Hence why you need to go on the journey yourself. You need to do some research. You need to try out this DIY treatment, which I am hoping will work as well for you as it has for me. Having said that, let's get right into the video.
So this facial mask consists of 4 ingredients, namely your bentonite clay, your apple cider vinegar, your turmeric powder, as well as some raw honey. And then you have your metal tablespoon and you have your plastic teaspoon. So the first ingredient I added was 1 tablespoon of honey. Just as we're here, do make sure that you get raw honey, and it should say 100% pure honey. And how will you know that it's raw honey? It will hopefully say so on the container, but a visual indicator to note is that it is thick in texture and sometimes it crystallizes. If it's not raw or pure honey, it will say on the labeling that it contains additives. So the next ingredient I added is 1 capful or 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then with the apple cider vinegar, do make sure that you get the one that says with the mother on it. But if you don't find that, then the normal one should still work fine. And then you're going to measure out 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And then you're going to mix away. So if you're somebody who has acne-prone skin, you can also add 2 drops of tea tree oil for its anti-inflammatory benefits. So as we're mixing, I just want to detail some of the benefits of the ingredients that I've added to this facial mask. And please be aware that this is not a conclusive list. So with your bentonite clay, it does absorb toxins. It draws out blackheads. It kills acne-causing bacteria. It has anti-aging benefits, and it exfoliates the skin. So when you're mixing your bentonite clay, make sure not to use any metal utensils, since bentonite clay absorbs metals and would therefore lose its effectiveness. Hence why you see me mixing with that plastic spoon. So turmeric fights acne and has anti-aging benefits. Honey has antibacterial benefits and it soothes and heals the skin. So you see me here adding some water. I just wanted to get that paste-like consistency, and I could tell that it was going to be a struggle if I hadn't added some water. So you can go ahead and add some water as well. And then with your apple cider vinegar, it reduces blemishes and promotes a balanced complexion. So once you've gotten that paste-like consistency, you will judge for yourself whether you are satisfied. You can then go on to the next step. So once you're done mixing your facial mask, you are going to apply it to a freshly washed face. I wash my face using my homemade soap and my hands, and I make sure to wash my face for at least 40 seconds. Some people wash it for 1 minute, and that is just so that you can get the full benefits of whatever cleanser or soap you are using. So after washing my face, I do pat it dry or fan it dry, and I only use a baby towel twice a week to remove dead skin off my face, and this is because I've got sensitive skin. So after you're done, putting the mixture on your face, you are going to allow it to sit for 10 minutes. So a part of the next step I did do off camera, but after you've let the mixture sit on your face for 10 minutes, you're going to wash it off with lukewarm water, then finish off with a cold rinse. Pat or fan your face dry and then apply your choice of moisturizer or oil. You will see that in this video I did use Magnolia tissue oil, which I normally buy from Pep, but alternatively I would use extra virgin olive oil. If you have acne prone skin, use oils that will possibly not clog your skin. So you're going to go onto the internet, onto Google, and you are going to search for oils that do not clog skin. A few of the examples of those kinds of oils are argan oil, rosehip oil, and jojoba oil, which you can find at Dis-chem.
This brings us to the end of this video. Now, do remember that DIY treatments require you to be consistent in order for you to start seeing results. So ideally, this is a mask that you should be using twice a week. If you liked what you saw in this video or what you heard, please do like and comment down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell so you are notified when I release more informative video. Having said that, bye and be safe. May God protect you. I will see you in the next video.